My name is Karim. I've been a patient at Balance Flow since April of 2024. Since then, I've done M-Sculpt, Neo, Mcella, Miha, and rehab with vitamins in the mix as well. So I really was looking for a physical therapist. I came in initially for neck and shoulder pain, and I found this place, Balance Flow, just on a Google search. And I was like, wow, oh my gosh, it's so close to me. And I really wanted to support a local business. And I was kind of sick of like the old physical therapy model where you just come in, you work with a physical therapist, it's very short, and there's other people around, they're not giving you their undivided attention. I was really sold on the rehab when I was told there would be trigger point injections, electrical stealth stimulation, and also stretches afterwards. So that's kind of how I came to Balance Flow, was through rehab, and I found the other programs as well. Just performing better athletically. I can hold planks longer now, so I'm able to like sustain results. Before I was really struggling with working out and with fitness, but now if I take like a Pilates class, I'm able to keep up and I'm able to do all the sets. I'm not doing modifications, so I'm actually able to go a little harder. When I found Balanced Flow, I was having chronic neck and shoulder pain, as well as hip pain. So I kind of had like global symptoms all around. The stress of life, college really took a toll on my body. I saw a doctor and the doctor referred me to physical therapy. I was really looking for a wholesome physical therapy program. I wasn't really looking for the traditional physical therapy where you go in, you see someone, use some weights, they talk over you with other patients, with their friends. It doesn't really feel like one-on-one. So I found Balanced Flow because of the rehab program. And I've been happy here ever since, making slow but steady progress. I didn't really feel like I was taken care of as a patient. I feel like a lot of my problems were dismissed, but since coming to Balance Flow, I discovered that my symptoms are actually very real and I have a pinched nerve. So I learned that since coming here. I learned that I have some narrowing in my spine, which has led me to have these global symptoms in my hip, shoulders, and neck. So I really felt like I've grown since I've come here. I learned more about my body. I learned more about the muscle groups. So here, you're also being educated to take care of these muscles that we're often underusing, which are then causing us pain. Not only have I done the rehab here, I've also learned more about muscle movement, more about my tendons, more about my ligaments. I feel like I come to an anatomy class every time I come here. My core is now stronger, so I'm able to distract more from my shoulders and my hips. So I'm not just using those muscles and those ligaments as often as I was before, because now I have a stronger core. Using that in association with rehab helped me make more progress. And I think also the stretches afterward, after doing the electrical stealth stimulation, are very helpful. I feel like I'm now making progress and that my symptoms aren't as aggravated as they were before. When I came in here, I feel like my symptoms were at a 10. And I feel like now they're at like a dormant 6. I really enjoyed doing rehab prior to Miha because I feel warmed up for Miha and I feel my body's able to receive the Miha training. I find that very fun and I get better results from doing that too. I feel like sometimes doing Miha and then rehab or just doing Miha by itself, if you're not warmed up properly for it, I feel like sometimes you can get sore in some places and not sore in other places, and then it just feels a little imbalanced. But I think warming up for Miha with rehab is like chef's kiss. I have better confidence. I'm able to do more exercises. I'm not getting as tired as I was before. I have a lot more energy and I'm just living life. And I love that the staff here is yoga teachers as well, because I feel like my yoga practice has definitely improved. There were some postures that I couldn't even go into, and now I'm able to do those better. I'm also able to run more frequently as I was before. I used to have a lot of knee pain and a lot of pain like radiating down my fingers. So yeah, it's like my quality of life has definitely improved for the